Gardening tools.
园艺工具
Axe, hatchet.
斧子
Broom,
扫帚
bucket.
水桶
Chainsaw,
电锯
crowbar.
铁锹
Edger,
磨边机
fertilizer.
肥料
Flower pot,
花盆
garden shed.
后院仓库
Hand spade,
手铲
hand saw.
手锯
Hose,
软管
ladder.
梯子
Lawnmower,
割草机
paint.
油漆
Paintbrush,
漆刷
pruning shears.
修枝剪
Gas can, petrol can.
汽油桶
Rake,
耙子
rope.
绳子
Shelf,
架子
shovel, to shovel.
铲
Sprinkler,
喷水器
toolbox.
工具箱
Watering can,
水壶
wheelbarrow.
独轮车
Barry took an axe to the larger branches of the tree.
巴里用斧子把那棵树的大一点的枝丫砍掉了
He picked up a broom and swept the floor for me.
他拿起扫帚帮我扫地
Get some more fertilizer for the garden.
给花园再多施些肥料
He leaned the ladder against the fence.
他把梯子倚着栅栏放
My lawnmower will have to be scrapped soon. It's beyond repair and on its last legs.
不久将不得不把我这台割草机废弃掉，因它已不能修理，即将报废了。
The paint is peeling off.
油漆正在剥落，
I was busy raking.
我在忙着用耙子干活。
Don't let go of the rope.
握紧绳子，别松手。
He shoveled out a bit of dirt, being careful not to disturb anything that was underneath.
他铲起了一点土，非常小心，不去扰乱底下的任何东西。
The hammer is missing from my toolbox.
我的工具箱里少了一把锤子。
Please smash that like button before you go and join us next time when we'll take a deeper dive into tools you can find in your toolbox.